So hello humans, I am Thunderdance. I know you have clicked this video to see this and get tutorial of this vid. Let's see. So first, we have to put our clips according to beats. Now, click on your clip, select animation rock horizontally. And make sure you all select the animation as half or full length of your video. It depends on you at which half or full the video look better. After putting animations on every clips, click on Effects and Video Effects. Now go to Glitch and select Bad TV. Now split to your first clip, with the help of keyframes as I am showing you. Add the Bad TV effect on every clip. Finally, after putting the Bad TV effect on every clip and then export it. Now here is the final result. Anyways, guys, tell me, how much will you rate it in comment? Regarding this, I made in Spider-Man Edit 2. Let me give me a demo of my next tutorial. And this is for today. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you.